No people say you can't wake up. This is not a dream. The party's on the scene. You're not a human being. We're so there, running out of steam. No one sells the scene, so you wanna dance with me. I think that I'm hard how you call me. My hands are cold. Are you deranged like me? Are you strange like me? Like you're just to swallow up the flame like me? Do you call yourself a hurricane like me? And your fingers 'cause you never take the blame like me? I know what people say. You can't wake up. This is not a dream. The party's on the scene. You are not a human being. It feels so good. I'm living on the street. No one's up to speed. Tell me what I get to leave. Oh, 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 oh. The victims are caught in my economy. Oh, 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 oh. These voices leave me alone.
Oh, miss, I'm glad to see you still got your theatrical side. You would still be my child. You and Wiz Gracie, she'd be my child as well. Oh, do you want some help there, sweetheart? Yeah? Hang on. If you rub it in your cheeks, there's a good blush. Come on, rub it up. Contour. Look lovely, babe, and that was amazing. Well done, babe. Which way am I going? Anya? Right, Anya, just ignore him, love.
Yeah, thank you. Oh, do you know what? I love watching you perform. You really give, like, every single song you sing and your performance, everything you've got. And this is such a strange song, and your performance really brought that song to life. I, like, struggled to take my eyes off you. I was like, I looked like that, because I looked up and I was like, where's she gone? And you were over there. I was like, oh, hi. But yeah, you really interacted with everyone in that song, and you really did bring that performance to life. I loved every single second of it.
Thank you. Thanks, Anne. Kelly?
I know how great you are, and I know you really wanted to show your personality this week on stage, and you totally did that. I want to come to one of your concerts because you're constantly doing something. You're so creative with your song choices and with your performance, and you could feel like the tension in a good way. It's like creepy away when you're walking around the room and you're getting the audience involved. I think you really got across what you wanted to. And you were like, oh, vocally it's not going to be great, this is going to be a bit weird. But vocally it was great. You nailed it, you smashed it. Absolutely fantastic performance. Honestly, well done.
Thank you. Thanks, Kel. Joey?
Missy, I mean, it takes absolute guts to do what you just done, because a lot of people, like generally in just society and how it works today, a lot of people would look at that sort of thing where you just done and go, oh my god, that was weird. You know, that's the kind of the average comment you get, but that's what makes you so bold and so creative, and to be honest with you, so current and fresh. This is kind of on the lines of like Billie Eilish, I would say. It's that oddness, you know. And this is what I loved about them. I'm really liking this theme, because we get to see them kind of who they want to be as an artist. And a lot of people in the room probably see you do your opera the other week and then another style, then all that jazz. They probably didn't expect this to be where you would sit as an artist. But it works so well, it's so weird, it suits that darker tone to your voice. I love the jacket. I get why you wanted the scissors now when you're on, because first of all I was thinking, my god, what's she doing? Why did she want the scissors for? But it was so creative and so bold, and I mean, that's what you need to do. Absolutely loved it, well done.
Thank you. Thanks, Joe.